Everything that you need is within you. You have complete and full access to deeper insights, more ability to create, and even your ability to focus and concentrate for longer periods of time. The lower ego mind is just a place in our mind that is basically a trap. This is an energetic shift and actually moves your focus away from the restricted part of your mind. This is very essential to understand how to move out of the lower ego mind and to find the place in your heart that expands beyond the restrictions that the mind places in our life and in our experience. The reason that many people struggle to find this energetic shift is because they are trying to figure this out through knowledge and through the lower ego mind, which has the perspective of separation. And while you're in the perspective of separation, you cannot begin to move into the unification field, which connects everything. This is a shift of awareness to a unification field, and the unification field comes from the heart. Understanding how to connect with the heart energy is a fundamental aspect of what I've come to understand as the heart energy, and how this really shifts our ability to not only transform our life, but to live more in the present moment. I'm going to show you how to begin to connect with your energetic heart. This will shift your awareness away from your lower ego mind and will bridge the connection to your higher mind. So sign up here to really create a shift in your life and to begin to understand the magic that lies in your heart.